All right. It's Washaholic Wednesday, and I'm Mike Kinderleiter, the Dean of Power Wash at Powerwash University and Powerwash.com. And today I want to talk about you new or existing power washing contractors that just got your power washer, and you got a great deal on it. You either picked it up at one of the box stores, you got it out there, you're running great, got an issue with it, or trying to figure out how you're going to run it. Next thing you know, that thing's not working right. It's messed up. It's not performing like it should. You're frustrated, and you go back to the box store. They can't give you any help. They don't have any staff around that can help you get your machine fixed. They can't tell you how to clean anything. Because you want to clean some concrete, you want to clean a roof, you want to clean a house. They don't know how. They can't tell you work. And on top of that, now that your machine's broke, they can't even fix your machine. Look at all these that we get here at Powerwash.com. So what I want to say is, where you buy your machine from can have a huge impact on the success of your business. If you got to be, diddling around with your machine, or spending a lot of time online or researching or trying to figure out how to clean stuff, then you're not going to grow your business, because you're wasting time that you should be productive cleaning, or you should be out getting more accounts. And why is that? Because you got your machine from a box store instead of a professional power washing distributor that could help you with the right chemicals, the right piece of equipment. A lot of times you buy undersized equipment. You buy homeowner equipment that isn't meant to be used by contract cleaner day in and day out, putting it anywhere from the average contract cleaner, if he's working 5 days a week, should put 20 hours a week on there, 1,000 hours. You know that most homeowner machines are only intended to put 50 to 100 hours a year on them? So your machine isn't going to last long. So not only that, you start off with a weak investment in your equipment. So that's why you need to consider buying from a professional power washing distributor or manufacturer. And whether it's us at Powerwash.com or somebody else in your local market, either way, we'll help you. But I just want to encourage you, stay away from the box stores. They don't support you. Their intended sales is toward a consumer-driven market, not you, the contract cleaner. So that's this week's tip. I'm Mike Kinderleiter, Dean of Power Wash at Powerwash University and Powerwash.com. I hope you have a safe and successful week. I'll see you next time.